This is the first room. It's a solid room.
It's all right, folks, we're on the 28th floor of the Mandalay Bay with a 2-bedroom suite right there. So we're gonna go ahead and check it out. I'm very excited about this. Now, this room wasn't cheap because we got it during CES, which is the electronics show in Vegas. So let's give you the full tour. Cool. A robo butler, Watson. And yeah, this place is dope. Now, let's go ahead and check it out. First off, should we show the view first? Yeah. I think the view is gonna be most important. You are overlooking Allegiant Stadium where the Las Vegas Raiders play. Very cool. Very nice view. And over the Mandalay Bay pool over here on the side. That's cool, right? See if I can zoom in a little bit for you. Nice view. Okay, so we're gonna back out and show the room. Mandy is partaking of...
These paisley print chairs are pretty incredible.
Not bad, right?
Yeah, the peacock room, very cool. Very
Okay,
nice.
very much like it. And then over here we have the bar. Motion activated. You take the cashews, you pay for the cashews. Whoa. Well, they got the Temptation Lovers set. I want to pick it up so bad. I want to know what it is. And then I like that they have fireplaces on all the TVs when you walk in. This is the first room. It's a solid room. Hey, they left us disinfectant on the table just to make sure we know. Look at that. Super concentrated wild cherry. Very nice. I think the room looks good. Okay, first bathroom. Solid. Whew. Long day of travel. Nice hand wash. Clean room. Jacuzzi. Good sized shower. All right, so a suite seems pretty sweet. Whoa. Extra bath, okay. Toilets in a separate room, I didn't realize. Thought that was gonna be like a utility room. Okay, it looks like there are doors that shut this off. And no closet, okay. Nice. Like that. HDMI, in case you wanna play your stuff, some outlets, solid. If you're gonna stay here for a few weeks, you can put your stuff in. Mm-hmm. Watson, how's it look over there?
Nice.
Yeah? And so here's the second sitting room. Amy's already got a glass of wine.
I have water for biscuit, actually.
Water into wine. And another 5. How many TVs we got? We got like 6 TVs?
4 already. Look at how thick this.
That's solid glass right there. All right, so give us the... Watson, you're gonna have to take off your backpack and give this the jump test on the bed to see the softness. Don't hurt yourself.
It's squishy.
It's good squish, not too squish.
Yeah, it's
Appropriate squish.
very airy, very light.
Nice. And you have more of the pool view. Let's see if we can show that.
I feel like there's probably an auto curtain button somewhere.
Oh yeah, see if we can find the auto curtain. There's some buttons over there.
Open. Something.
Outside curtain open. Inside curtain open. Michelob Ultra Arena. And you got the pool view.
That's a nice view.
That's solid. Everything's kind of blue. Is that the tint of the windows? That's cool.
Yeah, it's a bit of a gold tint.
It's a classy room. Let's see. So you got a jacuzzi too?
Looks like that, yeah.
Okay, looks like... Oh, okay, I missed the closet on the other side, but looks like there's a closet on each side. Shaving mirrors. Bathtub art. This looks like a mirror image of the other one. This is nice. I would stay here.
Specifically designed for hide and seek games.
Where did Watson go? Dude is good. All right, find Watson.
1, 2, 3, get off my father's apple tree, I think was a thing. Not extra room over there, that's nice. In case you're hiding friends. All right. Amy, did you have anything to show off or say about the room?
I like it. It's fun.
All right. All right, so do you guys have any suggestions on, should we go downstairs and get some food?
Yes.
We could eat? All right. All right, there's your quick tour. This is a 2-bedroom suite, Mandalay Bay. We'll put some information below. So Amy, Watson, and I went downstairs and enjoyed some authentic Asian cuisine at the noodle shop. Then we dropped off Amy, who was exhausted from a long day of travel, and Watson and I decided to explore the casino itself. Here's the center bar in the middle of the casino floor. It's not too packed right now, and it's starting to get to be maybe 11 o'clock at night, so things are slowing down a little bit in this area. Watson and I then headed to the shopping area on our way to the Luxor. I decided to record a little bit of this store. It's called Spence Couture, and it's actually a street artist who sells prints of his work. So let's walk through the store and check out some of the cool art that they have on the walls. You can see he's spray painted this art, and then you can scan the QR code to go ahead and get prints of whether it's this butterfly or Tupac or anything in between. One of the things that I did like is that the staff allowed us to film in here. A lot of art houses and galleries won't let you video or take photographs of their art, but they were very welcoming of this. They did have a lot of copyrighted music being played in the background, so we're going to have to do a little bit of an overlay to where we can show this on YouTube without any problems. Some of this is pretty cool. That's a great James Bond. And go ahead and leave a comment below. Which piece of art would you pick up yourself? Maybe Kobe? Maybe Tupac? That John Wayne over there is pretty cool too. As a videographer, I'm never quite sure how slow to move my camera through a store like this. So go ahead and leave me a comment below. Am I moving too fast, too slow, or just right? Is that Frank Sinatra and a stormtrooper? Pretty cool. So we were here for the Consumer Electronics Show, and we hit the ground running the next morning. In terms of fun, we were able to visit the Omega Mart, which was super fun. And we also made a trip to the Grand Canyon. We already uploaded the Grand Canyon video, and it's done very well. People seem to like our road trip with Watson and Amy to the Grand Canyon. Make sure to check that out too, and subscribe and click that button for all the notifications. I do appreciate it. Just as a reminder, we do have a member section to this channel, and you can join as a member if you're so inclined. One of the most recent videos we uploaded is we stopped at an Asian massage parlor, and that wound up being quite the chaotic story, and we have that in the member section. Lately, we've been putting new member videos every Tuesday, so check that out as well. This clip is from the next day. Watson, Amy, and I headed over to Chinatown, and we tried a few claw machines. In fact, they had several stores dedicated to just this activity. Watson is trying to win a stuffed animal for his sons. He has little Jim and little baby Dwight. And let's see if he, almost got that one. Meanwhile, Amy's going to try to win a stuffed animal for her Chihuahua mix, Biscuit, her little baby Biscuit. Lately, I've been calling him Uncle Baby Biscuit, which is a reference to the Gemstone series with Danny McBride. Amy has a pretty good track record with claw machines.
No.
But not this time.
You saw it.
I saw it. Let's go to a different machine, maybe a smaller one.
spacious, control different.
Okay. There's one that's like the winner. All right. As Amy tries to win a stuffed animal for Biscuit, make sure to click that subscribe button. And don't forget to check out the members section if that's in your bailiwick. It would be a lot of fun to have you. Leave us some comments. We really just do this channel as a hobby for ourselves to share some of our travels. So, yeah, leave us a comment and say hello. Whoa, did that kid just win? That kid is good. All-star. No way. Oh, you gotta get a solid butt. I don't know.
That was close.
So hard.
Him or him? Her.
Oh, that's a less distance.
Yeah, oh yeah, less distance maybe better. Because it does fall, but you can get it for a second.
Yeah,
That's good.
that's
You're
good.
gonna get it. You're totally gonna get it.
Oh, he's an all-star.
You're over it. You're totally getting it.
Oh, oh. That thing would have just done a little backflip. You would have been fine. You can try that. See? I don't know. We haven't moved him much. She really wants that pink cat. She wants that cat. No, I don't think it's possible.
She looks like a pretty good.
You got him?
Doing ready?
Go for it.
Like my shot. Swing it.
Cold shot. What? I'm starting to think it only wins 1 out of 8 times, no matter what. Like it's like kind of like maybe doing.
I heard the odds of the tension being higher fluctuate.
Yeah, no,
Some of them in groups.
Yeah. Yeah, no, I believe it.
That's what I heard.
You got it?
Well, I'm gonna try it again. Well, we got one out of 8 down.
Yeah. Right? Goodbye. Oh, what? She knows. She's in on it. All right, folks. We failed at the claw machine, but make sure to stick around and check out our Area 15 video that's coming up in the coming weeks. Goodbye, my friends.